Welcome to the Pioneer Forum 2019. I'm very glad that I'm here again today, third year in a running, and all because of your enthusiasm in coming here and telling us what you want of us, what are your pain points as sellers, as merchants in trading globally, and how we could be a part of the journey. I'm thankful for your candid feedback and your appreciation of whatever we have done in the past. A lot of it has to be credited to you.
Pioneer's slogan is "Go Beyond." I think they are definitely doing what they are saying. They are building a community, offer much more than payment.
At Pioneer have been very friendly, and they could put me onto new connections which I am very sure will be useful for me in the future.
Thanks to Pioneer, thanks to this great event.
The most important and the most satisfying thing to me is that we take feedback, turn around, and come back with products that really make you more successful. Thanks once again for being here, and wish you a great day here.